Everyone, let's welcome our new video. Okay, so first Google my name Sohel Saho and then go to the first website that comes in front of you named Sohel's Advanced Mathematics. Right click on it, then the website opens. Right, make a visit on this website. Right, how fancy it is, right? Looking good. Okay, these are certain links pasted on it, and you can switch on to dark mode also in this. Okay, great. So just now tap on the left hand top menu button, then go to scroll down and go to featured post. Okay, so in this featured post there is a article which I have written named mentally square of any number quickly in 2 seconds, vedic mathematics, and full proof is given here. Right, so this is my template, square of any number in 2 seconds mentally, vedic mathematics, full proof, from Sohel's Advanced Mathematics. So hello guys, I officially welcome you to this article. Actually there is a pretty good introduction about this chapter. Okay, let's read out this properly. We quite often come across to find out square of any number in various competitive exam and daily basis. So to solve this, I have brought an easy and effective noteworthy method in the wake of making very long, tedious and cumbersome problems in hands down, means easily. Actually, the efficacy is based on the mental one-line method of arithmetic. In order to make you understand, I have put forward my efforts to express it algebraically. Let's get started. Here we can find square of any number close to multiples of 10. In more formally, powers of 10, that is 10 to the power n, where n is any natural number, that is 1, 2, 3 and so on. The modus operandi, that is mode of operation, is based upon taking base number. So what's a base number? Okay, in some point of time I will tell you that. Okay, so there is a note. Deficit means number less than the base taken, and surplus means number more than the base taken here. Okay, so the first case is here, numbers that are near and less than the powers of 10. We can see that let x is equal to 100, say. Okay, be the base. Actual base is 10 to the power something. Any number near and less than it can be treated as x minus y. That means 100 minus some deficit. Okay, so actually our aim is to find x minus y whole square, so which is equal to x square minus 2xy plus y square. If you take common x from the first two terms, it will become x into x minus 2y plus y square, which is equal to x bracket x minus y plus y square, which can be written in other words, base into number minus deficit plus deficit whole square, which is equal to 100 into number minus deficit plus deficit square, which can be written in our decimal representation, right? Number minus deficit slash deficit square. Actually, noted below point is any number can be expressed by its place value decimal representation. For example, 987 is equal to 9 into 100 plus 8 into 10 plus 7. So the last two digits are obtained by leaving 100 place, or better you can get it by the remainder so obtained by dividing through 100. Here divisor is equal to 100 and remainder is equal to deficit square, which is last two digits. Okay, so in more general, the square of deficit should be that number of digits equal to the number of zeros in base number taken. So here in this case 100 is the base, so the square of deficit should be in 2 digits. Okay, other digits should be taken as carried over to left hand side. Okay, for an example, let us see. We have to find 9 square. Okay, here base is 10. The answer is separated into two parts by a and slash some point. Note that deficit is 10 minus 9, which is equal to 1. Multiply the deficit by itself or square it. 1 square is equal to 1, which is the right hand part of the answer. Okay, as the deficiency is 1, subtract it from the number, that is 9 minus 1, which is equal to 8. Now put 8 on the left hand part of the answer and 1 on the right side of the vertical line or slash, that is 8 slash 1, hence 81 is the answer. Right, how easy it is. Let us get some another example. 96 square. Here base is 100. Since deficit is 100 minus 96, which is equal to 4, and square of it is 16, and the deficiency subtracted from the number 96 gives 96 minus 4, which is equal to 92. We get the answers by 92 slash 4 square, which is equal to 16. Thus 96 square, which is equal to 9216, right? How quickly we can get that? Okay, let us see another example. 994 square. Okay, here base is taken 1000, deficit is 1000 minus 994, which is equal to 6. So square of deficit, that is 6 square, is equal to 36, which is the rightmost part of the answer, and deficiency subtracted from 994 gives 994 minus 6 is equal to 998. That is the left hand side of the part. So the answer will become 988 slash 036. Okay, so next, the square of 9988 square is, here base is 10,000, deficit is equal to 10,000 minus 9,988, which is equal to 12. Square of this deficit will be 12 square is equal to 144. Deficiency subtracted from the number 9988 minus 12 is equal to 9976. So the answer will finally become 9976 slash 0144, which can be written as 9976 0144, right? Okay, great. Let us get ahead. 88 square. Here base is 100 and the deficit will be 100 minus 88 is equal to 12. Square of 12 is equal to 144, and the deficiency subtracted from the number is equal to 88 minus 12 is equal to 76. Now answer becomes 76 slash 144. Since the base is 100 and it contains 2 zeros only, so the deficit square can have not more than 2 zeros or 2 places. Okay, so 144, 44 remains in the right hand side and 1 will be carried over to the left hand side. Okay, so the answer will become 7744. Okay, mark this point. Okay, carried over point. So next, 97 square is equal to 97 minus the deficit 3 and slash 3 square, which is equal to 94 9. Actually the deficit square here should contain 2 places, as base is 100, right? 100 in 100 2 zeros are there, so 949 can be written as 09, because left hand side we can add as many zeros as I want. Okay, 9409. Then 86 square, 86 minus 14 slash 14 square, 72 196, 1 get carried over to left hand side, 7396, right? Then 994 square, 994 minus 6 and 6 square, that will become 988 slash 36. 36 should be in 3 digits, that is why we add left hand side a 0, and that will become 988036. Then do rigorous practice to become expert in applying this formula. Please mark my point. Okay.